The next question tells us to draw a demand and supply diagram for the impact of a subsidy on solar panels. First of all, if you know what a subsidy is, it could help us answer this question. A subsidy, we can say, is a financial grant from the government to increase production of a specific good paid to suppliers, meaning the subsidies paid to the suppliers. So if you were to draw a diagram for this, we would have the original market, which would have price, quantity, and the supply of solar panels is that, and the demand for solar panels would look something like this. But now we're told that there is a government subsidy on solar panels, which means there is money given to the companies producing this, and that would shift their supply to the right because they're now willing to supply more solar panels for the same price because they are getting a greater amount of money to produce these from the government so that it's not as expensive to the consumers, but the companies can still afford to be making these solar panels. So this would change the supply to around here. So we could say solar panel supply 2, and the original price and quantity would be here. So quantity 1 of solar panels and price 1 of solar panels. But now because of the subsidy, the quantity will have increased now by this much, and it's now Q2, and our price we can see is lower at P2, which is lower than P1. So what this means is that consumers can now get solar panels for less, and there are more solar panels being put into the economy, which is what the aim of the government subsidy was. So that is how I answer this question.